drill for you called iron slacker legs. Hope you're ready to pump up those legs. We're gonna start with progression 1. Starting close to an anchor point, you're gonna bring the foot that's closest to the line up with the toes facing the opposite anchor point. Standing legs nice and close, arms are out. We're just gonna do a slacker stand up. Okay, so arms are out, inhale, exhale, stand. You're gonna take the floating leg, bring it behind the standing leg, and come down. You're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. Bring the left leg up, standing leg nice and close, arms out, inhale, exhale, stand. Floating leg behind, come down. Both sides is 1. Progression 1 is to do 10 of those. So again, this will be 2, coming up, holding the slacker for a second, free leg behind, come down, other side, come down. That's 2. Your goal is to do 10 of those, okay? Then go to progression 2. Progression 2, we're gonna move across the line. Starting at the close anchor point, just like before, we're gonna come up. This time, instead of taking the floating leg and crossing behind, we're gonna take a step, and then we're gonna lower down nice and slow, okay? Nice and slow. Point the toes on the bottom foot, reaching for the ground, and then go back up. Take a step, and do it on the other side, so we work both legs. I'm shifting my weight back a little bit by sinking the hips back, pushing the arms forward, pointing to the toes on the bottom, lowering, nice and slow, okay? Take a step, other side. Progression 2, do this all the way across the line. Point the toe, reach, reach, reach. All right, all the way across the line. When you get there, the opposite anchor point, you're ready for progression 3. Progression 3 is the same thing, but we're gonna do it backwards. Facing this anchor point, we come up, we take a step backwards, and then we slowly lower down. Again, shifting the weight with my hips back, pointing the toe, reaching for it, arms out, right back up, find the balance, take a step, lower down nice and slow. Send us your videos. We want to see how you're doing, how you're progressing. Take this all the way across the line for progression 3. Keep on training. Till next time, SLACKROBATS. Peace.